Okay, if you want to count characters, for example, I have this data and I just want to count that how many characters are in each cell. What I'll do is I'll click on an empty cell, I'll click equals, and I will click type in len, and if I want to know the characters in of chocolate, I'll click on it and click enter, and it will come 9 because the total characters of chocolate, the letters are 9 if I count. If, for example, I just create a space in between, so it will become 10 because the space is also counted as a character. Secondly, characters in this whole range, what I'll do is I can just click equals sum open, and I will type in len, the function len, and of characters that I want, close the brackets. Okay, and press Control and Shift and enter, and it will give me the total characters, which are 38. Shift and enter. Okay, character or a particular letter that appeared in a word. For example, I want to know how many times O appeared in chocolate. So what I do is I click equals sum, okay, bracket open, sorry, len, formula, bracket open, and then I'll just click uh, the one I want to check from, and I will close the bracket and I will click minus len, okay, and I will click and type in substitute function, and I will again click this chocolate and comma, and I want to know um, letter O, okay, so I'll do that and double click that and close the brackets, okay, and press Control Shift and enter, and it will tell me 2. So the number, example, if I enter another O and click enter, it will come, because I've set the formula, it will go to 3, it will go to 4. You want to count this and the